What is up mga boss? Spina today here. This is the unboxing of the new Huawei Band 10. Inside the box, makikita mo agad yung Huawei Band 10. And syempre yung manual na hindi naman natin binabasa. And then sa other part naman, makikita mo dito yung charging cable ng Band 10. Kita mo, fresh na fresh, may protective plastic pa sa screen niya. Sa likuran naman yung sensor and charging port niya. Pagka-turn on mo, makikita mo yung Huawei logo. Powered by Harmony OS. I-set natin into English yung language. Use QR code to set up this smartwatch. Gamit ang Huawei Health official application. Syempre bago yon i-set up natin. Allow natin lahat para ma-access yung health data. By the way, I'm using 16 Pro Max para i-link sa Huawei Band 10. And finally, add device tayo para ma-scan natin yung QR code na to. After ma-scan, tapusin lang natin yung pairing niya. Accept all the pairing notifications. Click allow while using app. Accept the all terms and condition and then you're good to go. So this is the app interface of Huawei Health official app with almost 700 plus watch faces mga boss. Ang dami known. So try tayo ng isa, i-download natin, install natin sa smartwatch na to. Initializing and wait lang natin ma-install. After successful install, makikita mo na yung napili mong design. You can also check the notification here. And yes, pwede ka rin mag-quick reply dito. Marami siyang built-in application. Ito yung ilan sa mga yon. Meron siyang camera shutter kung saan pwede ka mag-take ang picture and also video. Makokontrol mo din yung music. And marami pang iba na magagamit natin while monitoring our health using this Huawei Band 10. Laking tulong nito dahil for the fitness na ang person this 2025. So kung gusto mo nito, available to sa Air Basket.